Morning to one and all present here. I am T. Gokulath, Assistant Professor, Biomedical Engineering, Sedu Institute of Technology, Virudhunagar. Today we are going to discuss about types of semiconductors. Before that, we have to know about the basics of semiconductors. Basics of semiconductor is it's have electrical properties in between the conductor and insulators. Example for this semiconductor is silicon, germanium, gallium arsenide, indium phosphate, and silicon carbonate. Its conductivity can be controlled by temperature and light. Using this method, we can make modern electronic devices such as transistors, diodes, integrated circuits, etc. Then we have going to discuss about properties of semiconductors. Less power losses, then smaller in size, then less weight, then material with low resistance and high conductance, then materials which are bad conductors at low temperature and good conductors at high temperature are classified as the semiconductors. Then we are going to discuss about the types of semiconductors. Semiconductors can be classified as intrinsic semiconductor and another one is extrinsic semiconductor. First, we have to discuss intrinsic semiconductor. Pure semiconductor materials like silicon or germanium without added any impurities in the semiconductor is called as intrinsic semiconductor. Characteristic of intrinsic semiconductor is have one equal number of free electrons and holes. Then conductivity depends on temperature. At high temperature, more electron hole pairs are generated. Then we have to discuss about extrinsic semiconductor. Intrinsic semiconductor that have been doped with a small amount of impurities to alter their electric properties and increase conductivity. In extrinsic semiconductor, there are two types. One is N-type semiconductor and another one is P-type semiconductor. First, we have to discuss about N-type semiconductor. In N-type semiconductor is created by doping with an element that has 5 valence electrons like phosphorus. Free electrons are called as majority carriers and holes are called minority carriers. Then we have to discuss about P-type semiconductor. P-type semiconductor is created by doping with an element that has 3 valence electrons such as boron. In P-type semiconductors, holes are the majority carriers and electrons are minority carriers. Then we have to discuss about difference between the intrinsic and extrinsic semiconductor. Pure semiconductor is the we don't want add any impurities. In extrinsic semiconductor, we have to add impurities. Intrinsic semiconductor based on temperature only. Extrinsic semiconductor depends on temperature as well as on the amount of impurities. In next class, we will discuss about the basic operations of semiconductor. Thank you.